Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am back with another hairstyle for you all. A quick, lazy, last longing, can go for 2 weeks hairstyle. As you all know, I have been definitely in my era of making things quick, simple, and easy because your girl is busy, okay? We make things easy, simple, and efficient around here. As you all see, I am going to go ahead and section my hair off in the front, and I'm using my Mielle Organics Twist and Soufflé to go ahead and moisturize, not moisturize, but moisturize this back section, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and lather that up because I notice that sometimes when I'm doing twist hairstyles, by the time I get to the crown of my head, it's a little dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisture that all at once. And I'm going to be going for medium-sized sections in the back. These twists are going to be a nice size where they can look like mini twists, but then once you take them apart, if you desire, at the end of the week, you will have a nice moisturized and defined twist out as well. I did add some dew mousse on top of these sections in the back. I didn't show it in the video, but please be sure to check the description box below. I always link the products that I'm using in the videos for your reference, and sometimes for my reference as well. Sometimes I'll go back to old videos and be like, what products did I use to get that amazing definition? And sometimes I just recreate the hairstyle depending on how I'm feeling. I'm gonna make sure I twist these sections quite tightly in the back because I'm trying to make sure that this hairstyle lasts all week. And if I want to, I can let it go into the next week as well, because you can literally change this hairstyle into a twist out in the back and leave your flat twist in the front. Key to this hairstyle though is making sure that you thoroughly moisturize your hair and detangle. We are going through quite a bit of a weather change now, so finding the products that's gonna best work for your hair while we have all of this spring weather, and then some days it's cold, some days it's hot. You have to know which products are going to keep your hair moisturized. So I'm kind of in that period of trying out different products to figure out what's going to keep my hair the juiciest. Don't forget to coil those ends to get that extra curl definition, and take off that extra product once you finish the twist. I promise you it will save you quite a bit of time when it comes to drying your hair. You also want to make sure you're staggering these twists. As much as you stagger your twists, you don't have to worry about any necessary parts just in the middle of your head. Here's what half of that back section looks like. So far, I am satisfied with the moisture that my hair has, and now this is the whole back section. In the front, we are going to be doing some flat twists, and I am going to be doing diagonal parts today. I kind of wanted to add like a little bit pizzazz while also keeping that hairstyle as simple as possible. So I'm going to start off with this diagonal part that's kind of off center but still in the center of my head. And I'm going to start right on top of my ear. So creating a diagonal part that is close to being super straight. I'm going to make sure that I moisturize the hair. Water is just like the #1 product sometimes for me to actually get my hair to accept any type of moisture. I'm typically light-handed with it though, because I know sometimes adding too much water also can make your hair dry very slowly. So I'm adding some of that extreme gel to the base of the section. You can use edge control for this or jam, whatever you would like. This gel sometimes kind of is like a hit and miss for me. Sometimes it's like good, sometimes I'll get like weird flaking where it's not like crummy flaking, it's like creamy flaking. It's just like really weird, but other than that, usually it will do its job. But use whatever gel, jam, or edge control works best for you, and you can start flat twisting. By the way, if you struggle with flat twisting your hair, very recently I did drop quite a few YouTube shorts on how to flat twist your hair in different directions. So if you need a step-by-step process for that, I will make sure I link that in the cards for you. After applying the gel to the hair, you want to make sure you smooth that gel in, and it really just like soaks into the hair, which is why I haven't put this gel down yet, even though I probably need to. I don't think it's the best gel for your hair, but I'm using it anyway. I'm going to be picking up very small pieces when I flat twist. This creates a more tight and seamless look, and in my opinion, it allows a flat twist to last longer than just a few days. You all know that flat twists have the tendency to kind of get a little bit more poofy or want to unravel once you finish it. That is why you want to do small pieces when you're picking up hair, and you want to make sure you twist tightly. That's how you make sure that the flat twists stay in place for a very long time, whether that be 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks for some people. So here's what that other side looks like once I have finished. Now I'm going to start my diagonals in the other direction. So this means that my middle twist is actually going to be very, very tiny, and that's to allow me to have my twist start going in the opposite direction diagonally. You can do these twists as large, as small as you would like. I went for the size that I thought would match the twist in the back of my head, which turned out to work great. Right now I'm just using a little bit of that gel to slick down my edges because I am going to be tying my hair down and sitting up under the dryer. I set up under the dryer for probably about 30 to 45 minutes, and I went ahead and went to bed. Okay, you all know I love to do my hair sometimes at night, where the next thing I need to do is really prepare for bed. But here's what we are looking like the very next morning, and I'm super ecstatic. I honestly could have wore my hair hanging down like this, but you know me, I like to add just a little bit of pizzazz once my hair is like fully dry. So what I did was I first went ahead and sprayed some oil sheen on my hair, which is the Talia Wajid curl shine, and all I did was crisscross those flat twists and created like a very small pompadour, and I was pretty much ready to go. And here's the final look. As always, I really hope you all enjoyed the video and found this hairstyle very useful to add into your repertoire, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya!